Hello and welcome to another Setup Systems video. Today we have this Porsche Boxster 981. This is 2012 model, and what we're going to do is we're going to be upgrading the car with a PCM 4.0 system. So currently this car has a CDR31, which is like a radio unit. These cars could have PCM 3.1 systems. Well, these are the systems that were introduced for Boxsters, for these Boxsters, which is the model designation 981, and the later ones which have been facelifted, which Boxsters from 2016, which were called Boxster 718, they received an upgraded system which is called PCM 4.0, and this is what we're going to be installing it today. So let me show you first what's in the car now. Right, so I'm in the car, and as you can see, this car came with system called CDR31. This is a radio system. It has no navigation. The equivalent looking system to this is PCM 3.1, and that's a navigation system. The obvious difference is the CD aux button has a nav button. I mean, you've got the SAT here, but that's not that. This is just to change the sources here. You've got a phone. This car doesn't have it, and you've got the normal radio. We're replacing the system with a newer model, which is PCM 4, that will have a different screen and so on. So let's get to it and show you when it's all completed. Job is completed, and you can see the newly installed PCM 4.0 system installed here. You've got your main menu, as you can see. So the advantages are that this system brings up a much better, much clearer graphics compared to the radio system that was here. Again, I remind you, this was the CDR31 system. This new navigation now has much better graphics, so the screen resolution is much better. And the main advantages that you get is obviously the navigation system that I'm going to press here. So you get this now, and you can see your map and see where we are and all that. So that's one thing. The other main advantage is the DAB radio, so you can see all the radio stations that you can go through. And obviously I can make the volume up to show you the music works, but I don't want to bring that up for legal rights. And the most important that the customer really wanted was the Apple CarPlay, which you can see is here. We've installed the USB connection in the original place in the glove box here. The car came originally before with just aux jack connection, but now it's got the USB as well. The phone is connected by cable. I've got it here, and you can see if I select the CarPlay, that brings up the CarPlay, so you get your main menu with all the main apps available. So that's all done like to the factory specification, although this system was never available with the 981 Boxster or Cayman. This is for the system came up with the 718 models. So now it's available. You can have it for the earlier models. And if you want to take advantage of this, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.